Hey everyone, it's Shamala from Shimi's Kitchen. Today we are making prawns biryani, dainty and delightful. A biryani that will make you ask for more and more. The taste of this biryani will linger on your taste buds so much so that it will straight away enter in your weekly menu list. For biryani rice, I have consistently chosen long grain basmati rice only. The appeal and taste of the biryani rice plays a major role in turning the dish from basic to the royal treat. Now I am sharing my signature dish prawns biryani. Let's see how we make it. Heat 1 cup of oil in a heavy bottom pan. Add whole spices like bay leaf, cinnamon, black cardamom, green cardamom, black peppercorns, cloves and shahi zira. Saute on high heat for a minute. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix and cook for a minute. Now I am going to add roughly chopped tomatoes, two whole green chilies, mix well and cook till tomatoes become soft. Now add red chili powder, mix well and then add prawns on it. Add freshly chopped coriander leaves, mint leaves, salt as per your taste, and lemon juice. Add 1 cup of curd. Give a mix. Now add fried onions on it. Mix well. Close the lid and cook for 15 minutes in a slow flame till oil separates. To parboil the rice in a large pot, add enough water, lemon juice, salt and bring it to boil. Add rice and cook until the rice is 70% done. When the rice is 70% done, using a colander, take out the rice. Layer it evenly over the prawns. Now top the rice with fried onions. Sprinkle saffron milk on it. Place hot tawa below the pot, close it tightly and keep it for slow cook for another 10 to 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, open the lid and mix gently and dish out yummy hot prawns biryani. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give me a great big thumbs up below. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and thanks for watching. We'll see you in our next video. Have a nice day. Hey everyone, it's Shamala from Shimi's Kitchen. Today we are making prawns biryani, dainty and delightful. A biryani that will make you ask for more and more. The taste